Okay, so today we're going to talk about using some of our Google apps like Drive, Docs, and Calendar. Just to get to those, all three of those, you come to the Google homepage and make sure you're signed into your Gmail account, and then you click these little squares right here. And this is how you get to all of your apps. And then you click on Google Drive, and this is kind of like an online USB. So like instead of having to save stuff to like the USB and like remembering to bring it with you everywhere, you can save it here and you can log into your Google Drive from any computer that has internet and even on your phone. um, and like you can see right here, these would be like all of my things that I have made. And then I can go and see like documents that people have shared with me. These all came from like Miss Connie and other classes. She uses Google Drive a lot. You can see like the most recent documents that you've opened. You can see photos. Starred things would be like things that you would like favorite almost, and they go into this one. And then things that you've deleted. And then this just shows like your storage and stuff. I haven't used much of mine, obviously. And then to get to Docs, you just come back to your apps page and click more, and Docs is right here. Um, when you open up, these are going to be like a blank document or templates for you to use to create documents. It's kind of like Microsoft Word. Um, and then right here are all like your recent documents and stuff. And so you can go to a document or you can create a new document and you can type in it and say um, hangout meeting, like if you have a group project or something like that that you're working on. And then you can send this link to multiple people and they can reply to it just by highlighting, like they can highlight this and then click the comment button and say, sure, when. And then you just hit comment. And so this would then it saves automatically. So like you can go back to your home page like this, and then when you go back to the document, it's all still there. And so when someone replies to your stuff and with a comment, you can reply and say, like give me 10 minutes or something like that. And you can reply, and then after you finish that, if you want to declutter, because sometimes you can have multiple comments, you can click resolve and it just goes up here into the comments. And so whenever you have to go back to it, see, I had one earlier that I did too because I had to redo this video. And so you can just like if you want to bring them back up for more conversation, you can reopen it and you can reply more. um You can also share this. So like to share this, I guess you have to name it. So we'll name it Hey Guys. That's what I have. And so you can enter names and email addresses, or you can go to your advanced settings and change this to where everyone who has the link at all, like anyone on the earth who has the link can edit it, or like specific people or stuff like that. So um, and then to do Google Calendar, just go back to your Google homepage, into the apps, and then click Calendar. And so you can see here, I have like all of my class calendars up here, and they're all separated by colors. I have 215, 221, 205, stuff like that, and this is actually my biology one right here. And I can like click them off to only see one. So like I can see only Kines 215, or I can have them all up just to look at. And then to import calendars, like from Moodle, you can go to your class and then click on the calendar in the top corner. And as you can see, my teacher doesn't really post anything on the calendar, but you would go to export and then recent in the next 60 days because that's the biggest amount that it'll let you, and then get the calendar URL and then copy it, come back, and under other calendars, hit the drop down box, add by URL, and then you can paste that in there and then add your calendar and give it a second to update. You might have to refresh it, and it'll be up here in this area whenever it's finished uploading. And you'll I don't think mine's gonna show up because there wasn't anything on it, but that would be how you'd import it, and it would show up just like these. And you can like create new ones. You can like quickly add just a an event that way. And you can also click the drop down arrow right here, customize your colors, get notifications, use only this one or hide it, or with some of them it allows you to send them to other people or to share them, and that's a good way to um, just like share your events with other people and stuff. So